Hey, it's Jacob Rothenberg here, and did you know in Las Vegas you can get New York steak and eggs for $6.99 in one of the best breakfast places in Las Vegas at Ellis Island by East Flamingo and Koval. You can get cheap eats at a great price and at good quality. Let's take a look. Ellis Island is located south of the strip past Bally's, so it is known as more of a locals casino, but if you do make the walk, it's certainly worth your time visiting if you want an awesome breakfast location. Once you're inside the casino, you'll then want to go to the Village Pub and Cafe, which is their 24/7 open restaurant. Their breakfast menu is exclusive until 11 a.m., and afterwards they have a full lunch and dinner menu. Now, note that the $6.99 steak and eggs is a secret menu item. And here it is. You've got an 8-ounce cut of a New York steak along with eggs, potatoes, and toast. How can you beat value like that? This is really a full meal, and honestly, the steak is pretty good. So you're really getting a great deal, an unbelievable deal that you won't find in most other places. Again, it is a secret menu item. You will not find it on the traditional menu. It does have to be asked for. But otherwise, there are a lot of other great options in the breakfast along with a full menu. So definitely check out Ellis Island, and I think you're going to end up loving it too.